AirPods Pro 3 cases sometimes suffer from fast battery drain, getting stuck at 1% charge, and calibration errors. Fast drain is often caused by parasitic draw, tiny power leaks when the case is idle. The stuck at 1% issue is a calibration error where the battery management system, BMS, misreports charge levels. Calibration resets the BMS, aligning the software estimate with actual capacity. The case holds a 1000 milliamp hour battery, and issues can be influenced by factors like Bluetooth connectivity, extreme temperatures, humidity, or using non-Apple chargers. Keep in mind that lithium-ion batteries degrade after 500 to 800 cycles, losing 20 to 30% capacity. Ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are running the latest firmware. Apple's iOS 18.3 includes a battery health diagnostic tool in Settings to check case battery cycles. Try a manual reset by holding the Setup button on the back of the case for 15 seconds. For calibration issues, fully discharge and recharge the case. Avoid overcharging and store the case in a cool place. If problems persist, contact AppleCare for diagnostics and potential free replacement under warranty if a hardware defect is confirmed. Some users report success with a full reset. Note, third-party calibration apps exist but aren't officially endorsed.